today, I think I recognise the different ways that racism can present itself. So it's not only the way we act, but also our internal monologue around racism and what we're thinking in those moments is also, there's a lot of work to be done there.
Something that I'm taking away from today's workshop is about how we do a lot of things to action racism on a whole and how we can sort of implement those changes within our business or within our cultures for ourselves, but also about what I can do as an individual on a smaller scale just to sort of make those changes in my everyday interactions and how I communicate with other people from different cultures other than myself.
Reconciliation is a really, really important movement. Second to that, I think it's important to have sometimes uncomfortable conversations in order to actually go forward. So it's really good to see this initiative and be involved in it and actually get to think outside the square a little bit.
I've learned that most of us have some unconscious bias that we need to unpack and dismantle on both a personal level right up to a structural level. I did learn some new information today that I had never learned about Aboriginal history. That was new information to me that I found valuable to learn.
Racism has an impact, especially to people of colour and First Nations people in this country. So it's really important that everyone in this training has some sort of awareness and idea around how we can better educate ourselves.